Hello today, and we're going to do well, it's sort of a review rather. This is a piece of software called VirtualBox. What it is, it's basically you can run any operating system in your computer. Basically, what it is, it's you could say it's an emulator, but what it is, you can run a virtual computer inside your computer, in other words. Very good piece of software. I've already got some operating systems already installed, like Windows XP, Windows ME, 98, 95. For some reason it won't let me install it. It installs but won't work. It won't boot for some reason. With ME, as I'm going to try out in a minute, I've got a problem with finding the graphics card driver for it. I honestly don't know what graphics card it's emulating, but I can't get all get the full color range. All it's running in is a low resolution, and I'm only getting 16 colors basically, the standard VGA driver. That's all I've got. I can't install another driver to get all like the proper working graphics card for some reason. I don't know, but you say this is an excellent piece of software. It works absolutely no problem with XP. You've got all the drivers there for it to work, as we're going to show in a minute. But you say you've got all settings, you can set it up the way you want it, how much memory you can allocate with whatever you've got on existing memory on your computer. So you can allocate memory, you can allocate the amount of CPU power it needs. Basically for lower Windows like XP low, it doesn't demand that much. Also hard drive space, you can allocate how much hard drive space you want for each of the operating systems. I think you can run multiple operating systems at the same time. I'm not too sure about that because I haven't had this software very long, so don't really know too much about it. All I can say, I used to run Virtual PC by Microsoft. That was good. I had no problems with running like ME. No problem finding the graphics card on that. That just automatically installed, so I got the full colour. What I can say about Virtual PC, it does lag when you play sounds. It does skip. It is horrible, really. But when I used it on this, the sounds are absolutely fine. No glitches, no buffering, no stuttering whatsoever. So what we're going to do, we're going to load up an operating system. So we're going to try ME first, which I've already got installed. You can install as many as you want, I think. I've got quite a few operating systems. Really, it's good for if you want to relive them old pieces of software or games, or it is great to, you know, you can actually do this without trying to get hold of an older PC. You can actually do this on all one PC, and the good thing is you can choose if you want it 32-bit or 64-bit, which the majority of my older operating systems are 32-bit. Yeah, so what we're going to do, I'm going to stop and start recording, so then I'll just make it in one video at the end, because the screen size actually does change depending on your resolution. So we're going to stop the video and boot up one of the operating systems. So what we're going to do, we're going to boot up ME first, because oh, what's this? Whatever that was, I don't know. Ignore that message, I don't know why I come up with that. So here we are. So this is Windows ME, which I've got installed, so good thing about it. It fits in the window. So this one, as I say, this one I can't find the graphics card for some reason. So if we look under, no, what am I doing? So basically it is Windows ME. So the good thing about it, you don't have to pre-install on other computers. So let's just have a look, see what I mean. Device manager. I don't know what that is. Never mind, that's probably not important. But if we go to the display adapter, it's just standard PCI graphics adapter, VGA. I cannot find a way to change it. There's no cards out there, so if we go, ignore that. Go to settings. I can't see, it's stuck on 16 colours, and I can't put the resolution up. So if there's any way, if anybody else is watching this video and there's a driver out there or something I've got to do, please tell me, because I've got a few pieces of software that I like to use again. It only works with like ME 98 or 95, doesn't work with XP, so it'd be nice to get this working. It's a shame, but what can you do? And I mean, the sounds are nice. I mean, the sound card's there, so we're getting sounds, but it's just I'm only getting 16 colours where I should be getting at least 256 or more. You know, the standard VGA graphics driver can do a lot more than 16 colours. So be much appreciated because someone can tell me about that as well. I'm going to shut this down now. Shut this, not the computer, just ME. So that's shut down. So now I'm going to have to stop recording because when I boot up XP, the window is in a better resolution. So I'll just pause it a minute. Hello again. This is Windows XP now. So yeah, just boot it. As I say, I had to stop it, start it because this is a larger resolution. But as you see, it's got the XP here. I think you can make it widescreen if you want, but that's not. I ain't got it set because I don't want it taking up the entire screen of my computer. But yeah, a very good piece of software. Oracle VirtualBox, very good. So let's just check. Let's just go into hardware and device manager. Yes, the base system device, video controller VGA compatible. What's that? Is it? Do I need a drop? Perhaps I do need a because there's no driver up here. Maybe I do need a driver for this, but it just seems alright. There's no problem with this. I have no idea. So yeah, the sound's all working nicely. I say it doesn't lag at all. Let's just check. Just go to properties, settings. So I've got the resolution up and it's on 32-bit colour. So obviously there can't be that much of a problem with the graphics driver on this. But as I say, it runs well, no problem at all. I would recommend using, if you like to run old software on your PC, use VirtualBox. And please, if someone's out there that knows a lot about VirtualBox, can you please tell me how I can get like 95, 98 to boot up, because I cannot get them to boot up. Just keep saying failed for some reason. Me, I can't find the graphics card drivers, and this one runs fine. So probably I will be trying Windows Vista, maybe some early Windows 7s, and see if it'll work with newer operating systems like Windows 8 and also the new Windows 10. I've got the development preview of that, so it'd be nice to run all them. And it's, as I say, it's better than reinstalling a PC where you can just virtually do it. It basically just runs the same. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.